I'm not a great migger. I can guarantee you I'm not going to be a great tigger. Bling, bling, bling. Hey, welcome back, guys. And in full disclosure, this was supposed to be an unboxing video of my new TIG200 from Eastwood. And I shot the whole video and then realized that half my head was cut off in the video and it looked kind of strange. So it's unboxed. And here it is. Video over. No, I'm just kidding. So I will go over what I did get though, because this was a super blessing and a surprise to people who have this machine. I do have a Eastwood MIG 175 out in the garage, and I've been using that for a good portion of my rebuild, repairing the frame, welding in brackets for my new the seat brackets I built. But this is exciting to get because I've been wanting to learn how to TIG so that I can do my exhaust, and then my son has me wanting to do, or he's going to be learning as well, how to weld the aluminum intercooler piping for his R32. So I'll go through what all came with this model and why I decided to go with it. Owner's manual, don't need those. So this is the TIG200 AC DC. I went with this because being AC DC, it will weld aluminum and steel and stainless up to 1/4 inch. I know if you just go with their regular TIG machine, I do believe it's just a TIG200, you can't do aluminum. So I definitely want to be able to do aluminum. This one is also pretty cool because it is a 220 machine, but it does come with a adapter plug to be able to plug into 110. So that is really cool if you know you have to take it to someone's house to help weld and they don't have a 220 line in the garage or something. It's gonna hurt. Okay, other things that came in the box. Regulator for your tank. TIG welding requires 100% argon. I do not have my tank yet, but I do know that my MIG tank is almost empty. And I'm running a 7525, if I'm remembering correctly, on that argon CO. So when I go get that filled, I'll just get another tank and get that one with 100% argon for this machine. Also got in our box the world's most useless welding helmet shield thing. It's garbage. Just throw those away. We have our gas line, and we have our grounding clamp. So that's cool. Also, what did we get? Let's see. Oh, one of the other cool things about this one that I kind of liked is this is your TIG pedal, and it's got an adjuster on the side here for your amp rate. And then this is our torch. Which has also got a control lever on it. So you have the two pieces there, and then you got a couple tungstens, and we have a couple other different size shielding cups. So on the front of the machine, my sticker's coming off. It's a brand new machine and my sticker's coming off. Sorry. So what we can do with the front of the machine here is, and again, I am just learning how to TIG. I've never TIGged anything before, and I'm really excited to learn. I did watch a lot of videos on this, and on this machine particularly. You have your pre-flow and post-flow for your shielding gas. Pre-flow is going to be when you hit your welding pedal or your trigger. It'll start flowing gas before your arc starts. And the post-flow, same thing. It'll shield for up to 8 seconds after you've stopped welding. Which are both very important, I understand. We have our amps. You can adjust your amps for your penetration, I guess, or for your puddle. And then we have clearance effect. I'm not 100% certain what this does yet. I do know you use it for the aluminum. I'm not quite 100% sure why. I have to read up on that one. Switches over here. AC/DC button for welding either steel, stainless steel, excuse me, or DC, let's see, sorry, AC is for aluminum, DC is for steel and stainless steel. And then with the this button here, you have panel control, which panel controls if you're going to be using the switch on the torch. That's when you would adjust your power here. And if you go to foot pedal, this one isn't going to do anything anymore, and that's when you're going to use the dial on your foot pedal. And then one of the other cool things about this machine that I liked, and I really didn't even notice it till like I really decided to buy it, and I was like, okay, this is awesome, is if you buy Eastwood's accessory of a stick welding clamp, you can click this one down to stick weld, and you can actually stick weld with this too, which makes it really cool if you have to go to an area where you don't have gas and you just need to get down and dirty and weld something up. You can just get some welding sticks and weld it with that, which I think is really cool. One of the other nice things about this, and I know that my MIG outside has the same thing, on the top here is a quick cheat sheet for welding, whatever you might have to do. It tells you aluminum, steel, stainless steel, tells you it asks you what your material thickness is, tells you what to set on either AC or DC, tells you a rough estimate of what amps you want to be running, which is really cool because you're not trying to guess. Goes through which tungstens you want or you should be using. Again, the kit does come with 2 tungstens. I think you get a red and a green. Yeah, you get a red and a green tungsten on there. It will tell you what filler metal to use, but I do not have any of that yet. I still need to get filler metals, but again, I wasn't sure what I would be welding first or last. Then it's also going to show you pre-flow and post-flow, and actually your gas flow rate and your torch cup size, which are all just like it's a nice quick cheat sheet to tell you, where to start with to get your welds close. Yeah, I don't know what else there is. I mean, your gas bottle will plug into the back. All your stuff plugs into the front. It's not a super heavy machine, maybe 45, 50 pounds, maybe. It's not crazy heavy. I am super stoked to have this machine and to learn this new skill. I have been MIGging for a past year and a half or so with my MIG machine, and I'm not by any means a fantastic MIGger. I am hoping to be a halfway decent TIGger, or maybe a piglet or poo. But, this is something that I am super happy to be able to share with you guys, and my experiences as learning how to do this and the mistakes I'm going to make, and hopefully you guys will be there to, give me some tips on what I'm doing wrong, because I'm sure I'm going to be doing a lot of that. Watch out for the next episodes on 10-foot customs. Talk to you guys later. I know I'm not a great migger. It's dang nabbit, wife. I know I'm not a great migger, and I'm probably not going to be a great tigger. But I'll try to be a good piglet. I've got to poo.